Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Shopify error code 500. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Encountering a 500 internal server error on Shopify can be frustrating. Here are some steps you can take to resolve it. Step 1. Check Shopify status. Visit the Shopify status page to see if there are any ongoing issues with Shopify servers. Step 2. Clear cache and cookies. Sometimes clearing your browser's cache and cookies can resolve the issue. Step 3. Try a different browser or ignito mode. Access your Shopify store using a different browser or in ignito mode to see if the error persists. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Some browser extensions can interfere with Shopify. Try disabling them and see if that fixes the problem. Step 5. Update your browser. Ensure your browser is up to date, as outdated versions can cause compatibility issues. Step 6. Contact Shopify support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Shopify support for further assistance. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.